Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat is temporarily disabled problem. Let's see how to fix it. For solving this problem, first of all make sure your stable internet connection. Then go back, open your settings, scroll down, tap on apps, search here Snapchat, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on clear cache, OK to confirm, go back to previous page and open your Play Store or App Store, search here Snapchat, update your Snapchat. If it available for update, then open your Snapchat and see your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more updates.